Welcome to this guided sleep affirmations meditation, a gentle nightly ritual to release stress, quiet the mind, and help you fall asleep fast. Now, imagine yourself in a warm cabin at night. Outside, the rain is falling softly against the window. Inside, it is safe, still, and peaceful. This is your space, your doorway into deep rest. Have you noticed? Even when the body is tired, the mind keeps racing. Thoughts about tomorrow, worries from the past. You are not alone. But tonight, you don't have to fight with your thoughts. This is a safe space, a place of healing. Every affirmation you hear will be like rain, washing away tension, guiding you into deep rest. And if you'd like a place to return to each night, a gentle voice to guide you home, I invite you to subscribe so you'll always know this safe cabin is waiting for you. Now, let us begin with the breath. Breathing is the bridge between the restless mind and the body longing for rest. First 4-6 cycle. Take a slow inhale, counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it softly, and now exhale, counting to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second 4-6 cycle. Again, inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gentle reminder instead of third cycle. Stay with this rhythm. In for 4, out for 6. Each breath softens the chest, releases the shoulders, and lets the day slip away. Imagine the rain outside sinking with your breath. A gentle rhythm in and out. Every exhale carries tension away, like water flowing downstream. Stay with this gentle flow and allow it to guide you softly toward peace and toward deep rest. Head and mind. Now, bring your attention gently to the top of your head. Notice the scalp, the forehead, the space around your eyes. As you exhale, let it all soften. And within yourself, repeat, "My mind is calm." Heart. Slowly, let your awareness move down into the chest. Feel the gentle rise and fall of the heart space. With every breath, imagine it glowing, steady and kind. Whisper softly, "My heart is open." Belly. Now, bring attention to the belly. This is where tension likes to hide. On the next exhale, let the belly relax and release. Say to yourself, "My body is ready to rest." Legs and feet. And now, let awareness drift all the way down into the legs and the feet. Feel the mattress holding you, safe and steady. There is nothing to hold up anymore. Whisper, I am supported. Closing. From head to heart, to belly, to feet. Your whole being is softening. Ready for peace. Ready for deep rest. Breathe in gently, and as you exhale, feel the body sink deeper into rest. Say inside, I am safe. I am safe, completely safe. Even in the stillness of this night, I am held. Again, whisper softly, I am safe. I am safe. The walls around you protect you. The night enfolds you. There is nothing to fear. There is nothing to carry. Every breath reminds you, this is a safe space. This guided sleep affirmations meditation is here to shelter you. Tonight you are supported. You are safe. Mini silence. Now whisper, I am calm. I am calm, like a quiet lake under the moon. I am calm, like the silence after gentle rain. Feel the calm spreading through your body. The jaw softens. The shoulders release. The belly relaxes. And again inside your mind, I am calm. I am calm. Peace is not far away. Peace is already here. Peace rests in the breath and in the stillness of the night. Say it slowly, as if the words are drifting across water. I am at peace. I am at peace. Mini silence. With each inhale, you gather calm. With each exhale, you return to peace. The breath becomes a rhythm of safety. Inhale, calm. Exhale, peace. Imagine the rain outside sinking with your breath. A steady rhythm, a lullaby of the night. Breathe in calm. Breathe out release. Breathe in safety. Breathe out peace. Now let the words weave together. I am safe. I am calm. I am at peace. Once more, softer now, as if you are whispering to your own heart. I am safe. I am calm. I am at peace. Mini silence. Whisper inside, I am worthy of love. I am worthy of care. I am worthy of rest. Not tomorrow, not someday, but now, tonight, I am worthy. Repeat softly, I am worthy of love. I am worthy of care. I am worthy of rest. I allow myself to heal. I allow myself to receive. I allow myself to rest. Mini silence. Perhaps you have felt guilt when resting, as if you should be doing more. But here, there is no guilt. Rest is not weakness. Rest is wisdom. Say to yourself, I allow myself to heal. I allow myself to rest. I allow myself to receive. Breathe in healing. Breathe out guilt. Breathe in kindness. Breathe out doubt. Mini silence. Whisper again. I am more than what I do. I am more than what I carry. I am worthy simply because I am. Imagine setting down a heavy bag at your feet. Inside are the worries of the day. The bag is no longer yours to carry. You are free now. Say inside, I am more than what I do. I am more than what I carry. I am worthy of rest. Let the words flow like a gentle stream. I deserve this rest. I am worthy of this peace. Mini silence. Say it softer now. I deserve this rest. I am worthy of this peace. Now, imagine a quiet stream beneath the stars. Each thought that comes is like a leaf upon the water. Watch it drift further and further until it disappears. Say gently inside, I release the day. I release all burdens. I release what I cannot control. Again, slower now. I release the day. I release all burdens. I release what I cannot control. Mini silence. Whisper softly, I welcome sleep. I welcome silence. I welcome deep rest. Repeat again, I welcome sleep. I welcome silence. I welcome deep rest. Trust the body to know the way. Trust the breath to guide you. Trust the night to hold you. Say inside, I trust my body. I trust my breath. I trust the night. Mini silence. Imagine being carried by the darkness, like a boat resting on still water. No effort, no struggle, only release. Now let the words become a lullaby. I release, I welcome, I rest. Again, slower now. I release, I welcome, I rest. One last time, softer still. I release, I welcome, I rest. Grand outro, and whisper to yourself, I am ready for deep, healing rest. Now, imagine the night sky above you. Each affirmation you have spoken has become a star, a gentle constellation, glowing softly. As you breathe in, see the stars shine brighter. As you breathe out, feel their light flow into your body. Every word you whispered is now light. I am safe, shines as a star above your head. I am worthy glows as a star within your heart. I am ready for rest sparkles near your feet. One by one, these stars begin to descend. Their light pours gently into you, filling every cell, every breath, every thought. Your body is wrapped in a quiet glow. Your heart is steady. Your mind is soft. You are surrounded by your own affirmations, alive as starlight. Mini silence. Rest in this glow. Breathe with it. Allow it to guide you deeper, deeper into silence, deeper into sleep. Now, there is nothing to do, no words to remember, only light, only breath, only rest. Now, you have given yourself the gift of stillness. The body is calm. The mind is quiet. The heart is open. There is nothing more you need to do. Nothing more you need to fix. Rest is here. Whisper softly inside. I am safe. I am loved. I am worthy. I am ready for deep rest. Allow these words to settle, like soft rain sinking into the earth. No effort, no resistance, only release. Mini silence. Tonight, sleep will find you gently. It will rise up like a tide, carrying you deeper and deeper. So let go completely. You are safe. You are supported. You are free to rest. Good night, my friend. Good night.